Hello, I'm Mike Lemmyer, the General Manager of K-Guard Clog-Free Gutters. And today we are going to review the no clog warranty provided by Leaf Filter and K-Guard's lifetime no clog guarantee. Leaf Filter gutter screens offers a money-back guarantee. And what does this mean to you? I think most people would say that it means that if the product does not work as advertised, that you will get a full refund, right? Well, maybe not. Let's see what the actual Leaf Filter warranty says about this. This is an actual Leaf Filter warranty. Let's take a closer look at what this warranty provides as far as their money-back guarantee. The dealer purchase price, do you know how much that is? Well, it wouldn't include the labor cost to install, overhead, profit, and so on. Generally, home improvement material costs makes up 1/3 of the price a customer actually pays. And using this ratio, a homeowner who had paid $4,000 for their Leaf Filter gutter system would only be eligible to receive $1,300 back under this warranty. Now, let's take a look at the K-Guard leaf-free gutter warranty. K-Guard's warranty states that if your K-Guard gutter system ever clogs, we'll clean it for free. And K-Guard's warranty has no exclusions or fine print. And it doesn't even require any homeowner maintenance. K-Guard's clog-free guarantee guarantees that you'll never have to set your ladder up to deal with your gutters ever again. That's right, throw your ladder away, call K-Guard today.